Go. Go. Do it.
Edward.
Almost coming.
Friday. Not only your fucking comforter, $50 cash if you take her down now. Oh!
The deal is on.
I want this.
Christina, you are going down.
Eddie, get her.
$50 cash. $50 cash, Edward. Eddie, come on. Come on, Eddie, you can do it!
Let's go, Chris!
Edward!
Christina!
Come on! Yeah, took it down!
Come on, Eddie! Eddie, come on!
Edward! $50 plus your comforter!
$50
Let's go! $50 cash!
This is so YouTubing it. All the girls are gonna laugh at you.
$50 cash, Edward. You can do it. She asked for it. Let's go. She asked for it. She wants it. Show her what you got, son. You're not the baby brother no more. Come on, bro. Come on, Edward. You're not the baby brother no more. Come on.
Oh!
Stop, his ear's bleeding. Stop. Christina, his ear's bleeding. Stop.
His ear's bleeding.
Oh, fuck yeah. Christina.
What? What happened there? Whoa.
Shit.
All right, bud.
What happened?
His ear. He's okay. He's okay.
Somebody take it.
Jesus Christ.
It's probably the rocks.
Yeah, it's probably where you hit his head down.
No, it's his ear.
No, get me Kleenex now. Get me Kleenex out of my van now.